Now we'll see sparse. Very few people living in area is that means very few people. So you can give example of our country, both desert, cold desert and hot desert, extreme northeastern part of a country and the Himalayan area. So there we can have very sparse population due to physiographic condition, due to climatic condition. It plays a very important role of the concentration of population. Here the example of Scottish Highland is given. So that place must be having mountain terrain area. You can take example of Antarctica. There the weather condition like that, the population is very less. There is very less population. So dense, next, a lot of people living in an area. So already I told you the dense means density of population or dense population, heavily dense population. So we can take example of our country, northern belt of our country, and if we'll go to Deccan part, Deccan part also we are having more concentration of more population. So example here on this slide, example of London is given. Already we know the London, the place where the concentration of people all over the world is more, population is more because of the place or the metropolitan city. So these are the factor. We are having that example of many metropolitan. If we'll take the example of India's main metropolitan cities, there we can find concentration of population is more because people from rural area, they flock towards urban area in search of many facilities. Already we have studied all these things. So uh, concentration of population is more in metropolitan city. The density of population is more. There is dense population. Understood? Dense means more. So pattern of see here you can see pattern of population distribution, clumped, random, uniform. So here clumped means very clumsy, closed. Random means we can have unpredictable distribution. This is typical species in which individual do not interact strongly. So here it is given just an example for your reference that how population is distributed all over the world. What is the pattern of population distribution? This is just example for your reference I have given here. So likewise in our country, if we'll see any of these from this example, in our country clumped type of pattern distribution, population distribution is there, isn't it? Because we are having very more population concentrated on a particular area or a particular place. Random, uniform. So uniform, where we can find uniform, where there the density of population is very less. They are spread over large area. Now we will see random this concept map, random distribution having no obvious pattern, clustered, grouped together closely, even distribution spread out equally over an area. So this is the population pattern, distribution pattern. Random distribution having no obvious pattern, where the people they concentrate themselves, they settle themselves in a very randomly distributed. Clustered means very grouped together closely. That means highly dense area where the concentration of population is more. You can take the example of Dharavi slum, where the population pattern is, or the people they are living in very close, clumsy or very clustered type, matlab grouped together. Even distribution, if we'll take the example of very you can say very evenly distribution or very planned type of distribution, you can take example of Chandigarh, Bangalore. So spread out equally over an area. Understood? Now we will see the meaning of sparsely populated. Children, sparsely populated means an area that has few people living in it. Some sparsely populated area have often extreme climates, are highland areas, have poor quality soil, are prone to natural disasters, have unstable government, oppressive regimes, few raw materials, war, are less economically developed. An example of this is Amazon rainforest, Brazil. So children, this can come as a concept map, so it is very important. क्वेश्चन ऐसा भी आ सकता है, why, what are the factors of sparsely populated, why the population in some area are sparsely you can say why, what are the factors behind sparsely population, sparsely populated area. So here we can give certain causes. So these causes are extreme climate. So what about Amazon rainforest? uh, you know that we already studied what the climatic condition of Amazon rainforest. There the people cannot, we can say, settlement is very less, people cannot live there because of the weather condition, because the heavy rainfall, because the deep dense forest, so many other factors are there. Extreme climate, high highland area, have poor quality soil. Though Amazon rainforest having good quality soil, but if we'll take the example of desert area, if we'll take example of drought quadrilateral, Thar desert area, extreme northeastern part of area, Leh Ladakh area, that means upper part of our country, cold desert area, poor quality soil, there we cannot have agriculture. So that is another factor of sparse population, are prone to natural disaster, have poor quality soil, are prone to natural disaster. See children, natural disaster, that is the main question. Natural disaster, earthquake area, whenever natural disaster, some places in our country, in all over the world, they face natural disaster very often. You can take example of volcano eruption area. So there we can find very less population, especially the some places of our country, of our planet earth, they are more prone to earthquake and volcano. There we can find very less population. Understood? So next is few raw material. Raw material is very important in today's context. We need to set up industries, we need to have so many things, and for that we need raw material. So some places of the country they are having very less raw material, then there is no question of residing there. So any area which is having more population, we can see that that area is blessed with so many things, that area is blessed with so many natural factor, mineral resources, so many other resources. So that resource is very important to have population settlement or human settlement. Understood? War. Now we take example of Syria, Middle East countries. Why the people they are flocking to other parts of the world? Because of the you can say unstable government. Understood? War like situation. So people they doesn't want to settle there. There is no progress, there is no education sector. So this type of condition is some area of the world where the population is very less. Understood? Are less economically developed areas. Some places of the world they are having very less economic development. That means there is no raw material. The government is also not taking any type of initiative. You can take example of so many places in Africa. So there naturally natural resources are not there. People they are uneducated. So many factors are there which is main which contributes to the sparse population. Understood? So this is the factor which is the responsible for the sparse population of any nation.